What financial documents are needed for a separation agreement? Imagine trying to divide a big jar of cookies without knowing how many cookies are inside. That's why having the right financial documents is so important when creating a separation agreement. It helps both people see the full picture of what they own and owe. When couples decide to separate, they need to share detailed financial information to make fair decisions about property, debts, and support. First, you will need proof of income. This includes recent pay stubs or wage statements showing what each person earns. You should also gather federal and state tax returns from the past 3 years. These include all supporting documents like W-2 forms, 1099s, and K-1 forms. If there is any other income, such as disability payments, Social Security, or investment earnings, those statements are necessary too. Next, bank and investment account statements are essential. You will need copies of checking and savings account statements, as well as statements for money market accounts and certificates of deposit. If there are investment accounts like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or retirement accounts such as 401(k) plans or individual retirement accounts, those statements should be included. Also, if there are other assets like savings bonds or real estate investment trusts, documents showing their value are important. Property and real estate documents are also required. This includes deeds or titles for any property owned, whether jointly or individually. Mortgage statements, home equity lines of credit, and property tax bills are needed to understand what is owed on each property. If available, appraisals or property valuations can help determine current market value. Debt information is equally important. Gather statements for all debts, including credit cards, student loans, personal loans, and mortgages. If any loans are secured by life insurance policies or other assets, details about those are needed too. If one person owns a business, financial statements and valuation reports are necessary to show the business's worth. Tax returns and profit or loss statements related to the business should also be included. Other financial obligations and assets should not be overlooked. This includes life insurance policies with details on beneficiaries and cash value, as well as accounts receivable or payable. If there are significant household furnishings or personal property, lists of those items can be helpful. Also, a record of monthly expenses for utilities, insurance, medical costs, taxes, and other recurring bills should be prepared. Finally, a net worth statement is often created. This is a summary that lists all assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. It helps everyone see the full financial picture at a glance. Having all these documents ready makes the process of negotiating a separation agreement much smoother. It ensures both parties are honest and transparent about their financial situation. This transparency helps prevent future disagreements and make sure the division of property and support is fair. Remember, sharing accurate information with legal guidance can make the entire process easier and more straightforward. Courts may also ask for these documents if the agreement is part of a divorce or if enforcement becomes necessary later.